Pay really close attention.
Fill these 5 buckets, then the world becomes your oyster. And the first bucket is your knowledge. And you have to fill them in the right order, because if you try and cheat the system, life will bring you back down to the level of your knowledge and skills. Bucket number 1 is your knowledge, what you know. Bucket number 2 is what you can do. And that's the application of your knowledge. When you learn something and you apply it, it becomes a skill. These are the first 2 buckets that no professional earthquake can ever unfill. No one can ever take away your knowledge and skills. The third bucket is your resources, which is typically what you get when you have advanced knowledge and skills. The fourth bucket is your network, which is who you know. And the fifth bucket is what the world thinks of you, which is your reputation. Those last 3 buckets the world can empty. They can decide to knock them over, take away your resources, take away your network, take away your reputation. They can never unfill your knowledge and skills. And so the best investment any of us can make is in our knowledge and skills.
For me, knowledge and skills is everything. If you agree with that, drop me a 1 in the comments below.